Holy shit. Yep, I'm at the range. What's up? Video coming soon.
I thought it'd be raining on us already. Sprinkling on just a little. Go ahead, do your thing. This is my last time. I don't want to be in your way.
What's up, people of the internet? I was shooting my new 9. The video would be, there would be a video out soon. I literally have only shot it twice, so yeah. Hope you guys are doing good, staying positive, having fun. Shooting, spending time by yourself, because sometimes you just need alone time, and why not, right? But yeah, it started to rain a little bit, so I was like, eh. And I got this ammo. It's okay, but it's not like the best. So it's just a little shooting range, really. Why not? Well, I'm actually gonna wrap up this somewhat video, I guess, today. So if you guys like it, please give it a big old fat thumbs up. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. And another thing is, just hit that subscribe button, because stay tuned to a really good video that I'm going to make. This light is really bright. I got a little light in the mail today. One like that. So, you know, extra good lighting, you know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.